All right, hello class. So today we're going to start our career unit. So the idea is that you are going to do some reflection and some research and ultimately choose a career that you're interested in and then create a presentation. So before we start all that, the first thing you want to think about is your personality. Who are you? What do you like? Because that might help you determine what the best job or career path for you might be. So, today you are going to take the Big Five personality tests. And if you're an AP Psych, you already took this, but we're going to take it again. All right, so this test explores your personality with respect to five factors. So, let me just go over the factors, and then I'll show you what it looks like at the end. So, five dimensions of personality, according to the Big Five personality test, is openness, conscientiousness, agreeableness, burst, being an extrovert, or neuroticism. So that's what the test is testing for. So I left a link um, on your on the stream on the the information for today. So it's going to be to this test. Sorry about that. Okay. So when you click on it or you copy it into your browser, it's going to look like this. When you scroll down, you're going to be asked a series of questions. So I have a kind word for everyone. Is that inaccurate, somewhat inaccurate, neutral, somewhat accurate, or accurate? You're going to go through this page, and then there'll be 3 pages of that. Once you're done, I'm not going to go through it. I'll explain why in a second. It'll ask you if you'd like to save your results. Do not do that. I believe if you click to save the results, you're then going to be asked a series of other additional questions and be asked to pay. And I don't want anyone to have to pay for anything. So to get the free version, you click no, thanks, just show me the results. So this is what your page will look like with your results. And it will show you OCEAN, ocean, right? And it gives different percentages. Underneath, it explains what each of those descriptions means. It goes into more depth with your score. See where it says unlock my report? Again, they're going to ask you to pay. It's not that serious. This is just to give you an idea of who you are. And then, so you're going to read through this, okay? So your job is to go through this, read about it, and then you're going to post for your attendance activity for today what you got the highest score in. So for me, it would be O for openness. And then you would give me just one sentence if you think that is an accurate description of you or it isn't. Okay? So I hope everyone enjoys this and become more enlightened about who you are. And I look forward to seeing your results.